Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix a black clip in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever imported footage only to find it showing up completely black on your timeline, this tutorial will help you identify and solve the problem quickly. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and let your project load. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom of the interface and click on Edit. This is where you'll likely notice the issue. Your video clip appears completely black even though the audio might be playing fine. This black screen can be frustrating, but the fix is usually straightforward once you know where to look. To resolve this, start by clicking on the video clip that's showing up black on your timeline. Make sure it's selected. Then, at the bottom of the screen, click on Fusion. The Fusion page is where DaVinci Resolve handles all its advanced compositing and effects, and it's often where issues like this originate. Switching to this view will let you see the node structure behind your clip. Now here's where the problem usually lies. There are two common causes for a black clip in Fusion. The first is that your nodes are missing a media in node, which is the input source for your footage. The second is that you're missing a media out node, which is what actually sends the processed image back to your timeline. Without either of these, your clip won't display correctly. Take a moment to double check your nodes on the Fusion page. In this example, you can see that I only have a media in node, which means the footage is being received, but there's nowhere for it to go. That's why the clip shows up black. The media out node is missing, and that's what we need to add. Now let's add the media out node. Click anywhere on the nodes panel to make sure it's active, then press Shift and Space at the same time. This will open the tool search menu. In the search bar, type media out. Once it appears in the list, click on it, then click Add. This will place the media out node into your workspace. Now you need to connect the media in to the media out. Simply drag the output from your media in node and connect it to the input of the media out node. This creates the flow your clip needs to display properly. After you've made the connection, go back to the edit page and your problem should be solved. Your clip will now appear as it should, with full color and detail. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the black clip issue in DaVinci Resolve by ensuring both media in and media out nodes are present and properly connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.